Unit 1, Lesson 18. Okay, our focus for this lesson is we are going to be building fluency with multiplication and division word problems for the factors of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9s, and 10s. So I want you to remember your rules and your properties when we are dealing with 0. The 0 property, anything multiplied or divided by 0 is 0. Okay, or multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied or divided by 1 is going to be the original number. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 divided by 1 is 5. All right, so as we're dealing with our word problems, I want you to read the problem. I want you to look for the numbers that are being given to you within that word problem. Then you're going to identify what is the operation that they are asking you to do. Are they asking you to multiply, to make two smaller numbers bigger so that you have a fuller amount? Or are they asking you to take a larger number and to divide it out, to split it apart so that everybody or everything is an equal amount? Okay, so let's take a look here at this very first problem that will be in your lessons. And it is asking you to write an equation and solve the problem. And it says here, the Sunnyside riding stable has 9 horses. The owners are going to buy new horseshoes for all the horses. How many horseshoes are needed? Well, they have given us one number, and that number is the number 9. So if we go down here, and I'm going to get my little pen, and I'm going to write the number 9. Okay, so they've given us 9, and they're telling us they need to buy horseshoes for all the horses. There is not a second number that is actually given to us, so we have to use our own thinking skills. We know a horse has how many legs? How many feet? Hoofs does he have? So a horse has 4 hoofs, and he is going to need a shoe for each one of those hoofs. So if he has 4 hoofs, he's going to need 1 horseshoe, 2 horseshoes, 3 horseshoes, and a 4th horseshoe. He needs 4 horseshoes. So every horse needs to have 4 horseshoes. So that is our second number. It is the number 4. And what is it asking us to do? How many horseshoes are needed? So for each one of these 9 horses, each one will need 4. So we are going to take the number 9 and we are going to make it bigger. So that means we are going to use the operation of multiplication, and we're going to multiply it to find how many horseshoes altogether do they need to buy so that all 9 horses get 4 horseshoes. And so if you remember your 9's factors, and you can use your multiplication chart to look it up, you will find that 9 times 4 is 36. So let's see how well we did. All right, and remember variables. I had just left it blank, but when you see a variable within your equation, it means you need to take that h, like here, and you are going to decide what is the h stand for, and in this case it was 36. And your answer, remember to label your answers, 36 horseshoes. Okay, so that is what we are doing here for our lesson 18, and if you have any questions, be sure to just drop into my office hours.